But can you imagine if Boris wouldn't have taken in something like this? And that's pretty much what he's done to the pub trade. He basically said, oh, the pub trade, you're all just a bunch of cunts and you just fend for yourselves. I'll throw you a couple of tuppenny penny there, kind of showing my age there. No, like, they're dying, but hey, what if Boris had come out and gone, here's a little kitten, here's this little mangy little kitten, and I mean, it's probably not going to last the fucking weekend, guys. He goes, I'm just going to stomp on its head. Wow, there'd be fucking outrage, wouldn't there? And that's pretty much what he's done to the pub trade, but nobody gives a fucking damn. But I give a damn about this little kitten, I really do. So, I mean, no, like, cut off, guys. Like, you can't hear him snuffling, but if this little kitten was the pub, you'd all be fucking out there trying to do something. But cut it off, fucking off. Thank you.